How to check the distance between two places on Google Maps. Let's not waste any more time and head right to the video. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, it helps the channel grow. Now let's head to the video. First you open Google Maps and maybe you want to see the location and the distance between two places. So it's very easy. You open the maps. For example, I take the distance between this place and this place. So first I'll click on the place. It will drop a pin down there and I scroll up here. Once I scroll up here, there will be an option of measure distance. Click on that and then I will just slowly measure it to, for example, here, and here it shows it is 3.9 kilometers away. So this distance is 3.9 kilometers. It's not very accurate, but it's almost close to accurate. And if this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.